We're here at the Downtown Disney District, and you know, one of the questions we get asked a lot on planDisney.com is, what is there to do here?
Hey, ask planDisney.
Today we're going to show you there is so much to enjoy. This is the place I come to shop, dine, and enjoy live entertainment. In fact, we're right here. There's a stage where live music plays often. In this space, there's a huge area for little kids to run, play. There are hills to climb up and down. Another thing that's perfect is if you're inside Disneyland Park, you can get on the monorail in Tomorrowland and head straight here. This is the monorail station. There are also shops along the way if you need to get some pins because you're going to do pin trading, or hats, sunglasses. So there are some park essentials if maybe you left something at home.
Oh, that's a great point, yeah. And then you can also stop by some of the restaurants that they have here. They have a bunch of different types of restaurants, everything from table service to counter service. So one of the cool places to eat at Downtown Disney is Jazz Kitchen. It's 2 stories. It's an incredible view.
They've got some live music as well oftentimes. And right next door is a place to get hot, fresh beignets.
They actually have an express counter where you can wait just to get the beignets themselves. They say shaking that bag is like part of the fun of getting all this powdered sugar all mixed up together.
Yes. There's Splitsville. Have you ever been there to bowl?
Yes, Splitsville is actually one of our family's favorite spots to stop, get a game of bowling in, and they actually have really good food there.
Disney Storyland Boutique. I love the merch in here, super character specific, and it's always rotating. It's really fun. Right here is Disney Home, which is one of my favorite places to stop.
It's my wife's favorite as well. If you're looking for something specific for the season, you can just kind of pop in there and see what's new and what's on the shelf.
Well, I want to go inside. What do you think?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. It all goes together. You could get a little bit of everything. We have candles. Look at this. One of my favorite places to dine is here, Centrico. I think the flavors are so fresh, and I really enjoyed dining outdoors and enjoying the environment of Downtown Disney. So I want to head to Disney Wonderful World of Sweets because this is where I stop to bring home a little extra treat, a little extra Disney magic.
So this space is huge. There's so many different treats here.
It's full of whimsy too. I love just the feeling of being here. I feel like a kid again. And I see sweets, but there's also some snacks if you need a little something savory. It looks like allergy-friendly items as well. Do you smell that?
Exactly, yeah.
I smell the caramel popcorn. Here it is.
Yeah.
It smells so delicious.
They actually make caramel popcorn here in the store. They have a display over there where they're making it fresh every day. A lot of the treats that you can find in the park are actually in this shop. You can actually just pop in here and just grab your candy apple or one of your
toffee. That's mine.
There you go.
Mine.
Or the giant Mickey cookie. Look at the size of that cookie.
It's huge. When I used to live in Portland, I fell in love with an ice cream shop called Salt and Straw. And when that came to Downtown Disney, I freaked out. I come here all the time to buy a pint of ice cream.
They have some unique flavors sometimes while they're at Salt and Straw, right?
Rotating monthly flavors, super unique, and it's so delicious.
The Wonderground Gallery is a must for me. I'm a big art lover, and they have so many cool and unique portraits and different pieces of art in there.
I like that there's something for every budget. So if you just want a little small piece of the art, you can get a 5x7.
Yeah. So, you know, in the mornings, we're on our way to the park, but you gotta have that coffee before you get there. And so my wife will usually mobile order her Starbucks drink.
So convenient.
Very convenient.
And it's right next to the giant World of Disney store. This is the biggest Disney merch store here, and there's something for everyone. Do you wanna go look inside?
Yeah, let's go look inside. Wow, there is so much stuff here. And look how far back it goes. Oh my gosh.
Well, we need to do some extra shopping, I think, but oh, wait. If you have any questions, please visit us at planDisney.com. See you real soon.
See ya.